The CK3X and the CK3R are designed to meet your needs. The sleek, lightweight ergonomics have proven effective with users of all sizes, and the laser-etched keypad protects against wear and tear. When you combine them with a comprehensive Intermec solution, these mobile computers can help you find hidden margins. And Intermec Medallion Complete provides the protection you need for device repair or replacement, and that can give you peace of mind for the next 5 to 7 years.
The CK3X and CK3R are the latest mobile computers from a proven heritage. They open the door to improving your margins, helping you find ways to save money and improve productivity in all aspects of your in-premise operations. This is innovation at its best. This is the new CK3. When we released the first CK3 mobile computer, it brought best-in-class processing, battery life, scanning, and deployment all into an ergonomic design. Our newest mobile computers, the CK3X and CK3R, take these features even further. These mobile computers include the Texas Instruments OMAP architecture, just like in our other premium class products. This processor architecture delivers faster, more responsive application performance. The long lifespan ensures your devices are future-proof, and the lower power consumption dramatically increases battery life.
The latest generation CK3 mobile computers are fully compatible with the existing CK3 infrastructure. We aren't just talking about charging accessories or modular add-ons such as the scan handle, RFID, or the interchangeable flex dock system. We're also talking about your current CK3 applications. And since these mobile computers are compatible with industry standard software like HTML5, they're also ready for the future.
The CK3X offers near-far scanning with the industry-proven EX25 imager, letting you scan from 6 inches to 50 feet. You can also choose omnidirectional, high-motion tolerance scanning with the illuminated EA30 imager. The EA30 can also scan low-quality and low-contrast barcodes. The CK3R offers the illuminated EA31 area imager with capabilities similar to the EA30. The power of these imagers means your workers can efficiently capture the data they need, be it on distant, fast-moving, or even damaged barcodes.
Here at Intermec, we believe in developing technologies that solve the real-world challenges of our customers. That's why we designed the EX25 Near-Far Imager. Whether your warehouse workers are on foot or in the forklift, they can now reliably scan a code from 6 inches to more than 50 feet away. The EX25 is available in our SR61 handheld scanners, as well as our CK3 and 70 series mobile computers. It's a technology that can save you seconds per scan, but multiplied across an entire day, across your entire operations, and that can add up quickly.
As a leader in mobility, Intermec provides a complete retail solution focused on reducing cost, increasing productivity, and improving the customer experience. Our goal is to solve your in-store challenges with high-performance solutions, world-class products, and services. For point-of-sale applications, the SG20 handheld scanner offers the industry's leading 2D imaging technologies for responsive and dependable scanning. This scanner has more than 50 times the motion tolerance of a typical scanner. That helps keep your checkout line move as fast as possible. The SG20 can handle 1 and 2D symbologies, so you can be ready for digital loyalty cards, cell phone couponing, and QR codes. The SG20's small size minimizes the countertop footprint, and the handle ergonomics accommodate a wide variety of hand sizes. With Bluetooth connectivity, workers can pair the scanner with a handheld tablet for added mobility. In product design, the details make all the difference, and the SG20's light pipe is a prime example of that. We've designed the SG20 with a large and intuitive LED, which gives the user quick and responsive feedback. Users can customize the color of the LED to match their brand colors, fit the ambiance of their store, or to relate to a specific merchandising event. The SG20 works right out of the box. But you can customize beeper tones, volumes, scan symbologies, and even advanced security settings with free EasySet software. This scanner is made for the retail environment, with the scanning performance, the flexibility, and the simplicity to make a difference.
Anytime you do anything that 40 million people are watching, it's definitely a little pressure. So you better have your game face on for sure.
Our ultimate goal is to make this the best possible spectator event that we can make it. The PGA brand is probably the most recognized brand in golf. We are a membership organization of 27,000 plus professionals. We're responsible for providing benefits to those members and for advancing the game of golf. What I like about my team is it's an organization that takes great pride in our events, being able to provide technology that improves the fan experience.
We're at the 2012 PGA Championship in Kiowa Island, South Carolina at the Ocean Course. We had 2 monsoon level storms today, 2 weather delays, and we had walking scores all over the course. I don't know if the walking scores were water resistant, but the handheld devices certainly were.
What we do in information technology used to be done by third parties. There was a third party who actually did scoring systems. We were essentially paying $120,000 to $140,000 per tournament. It was expenses that were detracting from membership services that we deliver. It was shown that over a 4-year period we could save $3 million, so we invested in the construction of the system.
We worked with ScanRead as our supplier for both purchases and rentals. The guys from ScanRead came to our last event to support us to make sure we had what we need, and they were great. They really helped us get off on a good footing. We have the CK71 at the entrance gates. And for the scoring system, we have the Intermec CN50 in 3 deployments on site. Walking scores, entering the shot as it happens, our leaderboards, and then all of our scoreboards on site.
Our walking scores use this computer system, and that information is sent directly through our system to a group of quality control experts. It's important that the numbers are as accurate as possible because they're being fed real time to television, radio, and internet.
The operational improvements of shaving a day, configuring handhelds, really made it a no-brainer. Oftentimes, at the end of one event, we configure them for the next event. So when we open them up at this event, they were ready to go. Because of the pricing of the Intermec through ScanRead and ScanSource, we really were able to very easily cost justify it. This is a 5-year investment through the 2016 Ryder Cup, and what would have normally been the rental fee, we've been able to pay for the purchase in 2 years of events. So that means our last 3 years are at no cost. We feel very good about the devices. The battery life is really what we need and get through a round of golf easily with 50% battery left. And we've been sometimes struggling to get through a round of golf on a battery with other units. So that's been a huge improvement. The interface is very easy. The Windows Mobile 6 is very user-friendly. Well, I definitely think Intermec's been a great product for us. They've been able to meet our needs, whether it's the CK71 or the CN50 handheld score, and the service levels of ScanRead are second to none. I can't say enough about the service that company's given us. They have been so supportive, excessively responsive, so that's my recommendation.
Absolutely could not afford to put on an event like this if you had to do it with anything other than volunteers. Anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 volunteers volunteer during the course of a week. They're actually our eyes and ears on the course. We have to see that the computer system is easy enough for them to use and that they can be trained and spun up to speed in a very short period of time. And the software that the IT team from the PGA of America has delivered is the intuitive type of software that was required to make these users proficient their first time out.
With having a single point of contact with ScanRead, I can call Ron at any point. He's very responsive. I've called him in fact, I called him this past Sunday night at about 9 o'clock, so it's not always on office hours. Very responsive. I can call ScanRead, ask for something that I didn't know I was going to need, and often have it on site the next day. Water resistance on the Intermec is extraordinary. We've used other devices where we have lost devices. They didn't last as well. We find them to be very high performance units. They're out there in the pouring rain of one event versus the baking beach sun of Kiowa Island, so their ruggedized nature has been great. Anybody can drop them and they just pick right up. Certainly light years better than we were when we started.
Intermec industrial printers are built from a long 40-year legacy of printing innovations and design choices. Let us review some of the design choices and use cases of Intermec legacy products. Intermec 3400, one of the most successful Intermec industrial printers, had a design of the media door opening on the side. You basically needed to remove the door completely. This was done in order to accommodate really low shelving or walls that were just next to the printer. On one of the smartest printers in the market, Intermec PM4i, the media door opening is going upwards and the door is latched to the body of the printer with strong industrial hinges, preventing possible breakage in a harsh industrial environment. Intermec PM43 door design is the best of both worlds. You can open the media door upward. It is also latched with strong industrial hinges, or you can slide those hinges and remove the door in the same way as you can do that on a 3400. Intermec Color Touch Multilingual User Interface has an ability to actually show you the instructions. PM43 is the only printer that has instructions of how to load media or how to load a ribbon installed on the printer. If you go to Wizards Printing, you're going to be able to review how to load media or how to load ribbon. So you'll be up and running with the PM43 without any special training. Intermec PM43 is designed to protect your valuable media like RFID asset tags and labels. At the end of the shift, you can leave them in the printer. With the customer installable accessory, the bracket, you can easily lock the printer and secure your assets.